crap. Look at that. You were right. You knew right where to go, so you've seen it before.
I've been looking at it like this for freaking ridiculous.
So
you would think after
I mean, like when they put it in a truck and they...
Maybe 20, 30 years later, you'd think you'd maybe stiffen the back of the driver. But, you know, I guess it's just as easy for me to come out here and kick the back in. You know, it's ridiculous.
It was scraping metal on metal. I mean, it didn't wear the motor or anything like that. It was just it was too far forward and it was hitting. Okay.
It does it all. I've seen it hundreds of times.
All right, cool.
I've been doing this for almost 25 years now.
Well, it's nice to see someone come out and know what the hell, you know, out trying to make up something.
I just do this because sometimes it'll rattle. Let's get a little from the factory. They just.
Oh, I see.
Just gonna tighten this up a little bit.
And that's the heating coils back there?
Yep.
All right.
Yeah, and they're really good. They're really good. I have no problems with those.
Yeah, I mean, when it worked, it dried the hell out of the clothes, you know. And it seems like when it was wet and heavy, it worked. It was worse than when toward the end of a cycle, but it kept stopping, so we would always have to restart it. And
doing all this? Seriously. You need this needs to be replaced. It was this thick.
oh Lord!
From it wearing it, it wore it right out. I'll be right back.
Thank you very much.